Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lost Latvian. Here is my very first cooking video. So I've decided to make like a short videos about certain foods I cook. So this time, today I'm going to show you how to quickly make edamame. So quote unquote edamame. Because these peas, those are not edamame peas. These are actually the snow peas. So one time I tried to make edamame myself and I could not find the peas used in edamame. So I just bought these ones and I fell in love with them. So actually I think these ones taste even better than the original ones. So all of what I do is I go and buy these beans, and I bought these ones at the Whole Foods produce section. They are in these little bags. So there are 3 bags in here of the peas. So basically you wash them, you go through them and see if there are any bad peas in there, or not, and then just wash them, throw them in a pan and put a little bit of olive oil or sunflower oil or whatever oil, so just a tiny bit. And so now let me show you what else you need. So we go over here, and the one thing you'll have to buy is this. It's crushed Calabrian chili peppers. You can buy this one on Amazon. That's where I bought it. And they're just the crushed peppers. So yeah, you will need this one. So then the next thing you need is the regular soy sauce. You'll need that as well. And the third thing you will need is garlic. So let me clean the garlic up. So let's just clean up some garlic real quick. And we're gonna take the skin off. And this is going to be added to our fake edamame, or snow pea edamame. So this is a good alternative to the original one. But I highly suggest you to try it out. It's super simple to make. And I absolutely guarantee you will like it. Okay, so we're done with cleaning the garlic. So this is how many pieces I got. So that's enough. So now let's get to cooking part. So we set our stove to this setting, so it's a little closer to medium heat. And these are in. And we're gonna start cooking. So the one thing what you really have to do is you gotta mix the peas almost non-stop and not to let them burn to the skillet. So initially, so there's no salt, just in olive oil and the peas. So just try to mix them often and not to let them burn. So I'm about 3-4 minutes in, and it's time to add the garlic. Just add it in and just mix it up. So you put the garlic in very early in cooking. So like I said, I've been cooking them for maybe like 3 or 4 minutes. That's when I put in the garlic, and I also reduced the stove down to medium. So there is no salt added or no nothing, because the soy sauce is gonna give this dish a salt. This snack, can't really call the dish. Okay guys, while I'm cooking, let me do a little promotion for this nice drink. I'm not sponsored by them or no nothing, but I just bought this one yesterday, and it turns out to be a very good naturally flavored drink. It's a sparkling water made by Waterloo, so 0 calories, 0 sugar. It tastes really good. So in this case, this is the watermelon drink. So if you want to give it a try, give it a try. Looks like it's distributed by Waterloo Sparkling Water Corporation in Austin, Texas. So I'm in Colorado, so I can get it. I got it in King Soopers, so check them out. It's a good water. So I've been turning them around now for a good, let's say, 10 minutes maybe. So there, I can see that they're starting to get a little soft, you know. And the one thing is, like, I really don't want to overcook them, so they're starting to fall apart and getting too soft. I want to leave a crunch. So that's your goal. When you bite them, you know, you feel the crunch. So I'd say maybe 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna start adding the soy sauce and the pepper. Alright, it's time for soy sauce. So I got about this much in a bottle. It's actually less, somewhere right here. So I don't know how much I'm gonna add, you know, don't ask me. I just go looking with my eyes, you know, whatever looks good, you know. I would say maybe a couple tablespoons, and just start mixing them. So the peas now are absorbing that soy sauce. So it's gonna give the flavor to the peas. And so it looks like I need a little more. I don't want completely them to swim in the soy sauce, but just I need to add a little more. And just stir them up. Very, very simple process of making them. And so let them simmer for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna add the Calabrian peppers. Alright, so for whatever reason, in the little video clip I made when I added the crushed peppers, these Calabrian chili peppers, it didn't record, but let me tell you, I added previously 2 spoons, about this much, and I stirred it all up, and so here it's all nicely cooking, and I'm almost done here. So the total cook time is about 25 to 30 minutes till they're all done. Don't overcook. Don't make them too mushy. Right now it still has a perfect crunch to it. Super snack, 5 out of 5. You're not gonna regret it making it. So I taught my brother-in-law in Latvia how to make this, and he totally loves it. So there you go. It's my fake edamame. Edamame actually is made out of the type of the soybeans These are peas, snow peas. You can get them anywhere. I got mine at Whole Foods, 3 packs. And yeah, let's go over the ingredients. Snow peas, in this case three packs. And I got a garlic, I got a soy sauce, and I got the crushed Calabrian chili peppers. So first you put the peas in the pan, in the skillet, add a little bit of olive oil, cook them up for like maybe 5 minutes, just turning them around, stirring them up. Then add the soy sauce, cook them up for another like 10 minutes, add garlic as well, cook them up, and then like 5 minutes before you're done, add the pepper, 2 tablespoons of pepper. Don't overdo the pepper. But that's it. So great snack. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.